Hi, Lara from Forex Info USA with your free daily US dollar index Elliott wave analysis for the New York trading session dated Wednesday the 14th of April. And starting this analysis with a look at a historical chart just back for 3 years, we'll just look at primary degree waves here. After primary degree wave C, we've got the beginning of a new pattern with a primary 1, 2, and we're in the early stages still of a primary third wave. Currently, the dollar's had intermediate wave 1. We're working on intermediate wave 2. When that's finished, we're going to have primary wave 3 up, which is going to be a great trading opportunity. Having a look at the relationships between these primary waves, wave 1 was 17.73 long, wave 2 was an 80% correction of wave 1. When wave 3 is equal to wave 1, it'll take the dollar up to 91.91. It's more likely, though, that the dollar could get up to 102.87, probably about December this year or maybe even August next year, giving it 21 months in duration. Having a look at relationships between these intermediate waves and wave 1. Wave 1 at intermediate degree, a really nice leading contracting diagonal. Wave 2, a really nice three-wave structure. Wave 3 is 1.02 shorter than 3.618, the length of wave 5. And wave 5 is just 1.39 greater than the length of wave 1. So pretty good Elliott wave ratios there. Ratios between this A, B and C for wave 2. B is a 111% correction of wave A. This is an expanded flat. And C was 1.94 less than 1.618, the length of wave A. So great Elliott wave ratios there as well. Taking you now to a regular daily chart where this maroon 2 and black C is this maroon 2 and black C down here, and here's our recent dollar rises. This is intermediate wave 1 up, and with this continued movement outside the lower edge of this parallel trend channel that contains price movement up for wave 1, it's looking increasingly likely that this wave count is most likely the correct one, and we should be in an intermediate wave 2 down. We probably don't yet have the end to the first leg of that. We've probably got a little bit more downwards movement to go to end wave 5 of wave A, which looks like it's a simple 5-wave structure. When that's over, and it should be over fairly soon, the next move for the dollar is going to be a good strong 3-wave movement up that will correct about 38 to 70 or so % of wave A, and probably shouldn't take the dollar above this point, 82.22, unless we're seeing a running triangle develop, which is extremely unlikely. It's more likely that we're seeing a zigzag or a first part of a combination. So having a look at this recent downwards movement for the dollar on an hourly chart where this blue A, if I had it, would be down here. Here's that recent downwards movement. I'm seeing this as a simple 5-wave 1 with an expanded flat A, B, C for wave 2 pink, followed by a nice strong wave 3, exactly what we should be seeing in a third wave position there. A shallow little 4th wave, and it looks like we're limping towards the end of a 5th wave. Hopefully it should end up just a little bit further below wave 3. I have a target for the downside here, 79.62 to 79.54. That's where wave 5 pink will either equal wave 1 or 0.618, the length of wave 3, and either of those targets seems fairly likely. Thereafter, the next movement down for the dollar is very likely to be a good strong upwards movement. Again, this should be an invalidation point 82.22, or at least should provide some serious limitation. When we know where wave 5 pink and A blue have ended, I'll start calculating targets for the upside for that 3-wave movement. We do have a little bit of divergence. This is the last 2 lows for the dollar. Price is very slightly trending down. We did have a little bit more downwards movement as expected after yesterday's analysis, and corresponding lows on MACD are trending up. So we've got some divergence. There's a little bit more room yet for a little bit further downwards movement towards those targets. So if it's not over yet for the dollar, it's going to be over with that downwards movement fairly soon. The next movement predicted should be a good 3 waves up. That's all from me with your dollar analysis. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, and may all your trades be profitable.